Nice to meet you.
You're going to love FernGully. It's the most beautiful, wonderful place in the forest. Well, come on. A Batty can carry you.
What? Not this little mammal. Fly a human. I'd rather suck wax fruit.
Hey, Tom.
What?
You see Zach anywhere?
Nah, his shift's about over. He probably cut out early.
That's the problem with the world today. People are lazy.
I heard that with my bad ear.
What is that?
Hey, Tom. You think the leveler can handle this baby?
Sure, that leveler eats everything.
Kinda like you.
How many times a day I gotta threaten your life?
I've got so many things I want to ask you. Like, why have humans returned to the forest? And what was that monster that tried to eat you?
That wasn't a monster. That was a machine.
What's a machine?
It's a thing for cutting down trees.
That's terrible.
Only if you live in a tree.
I do live in a tree.
Oh.
You didn't have anything to do with that machine, did you?
Oh, with me? No. No, of course not. Oops. How could I have anything to do with something that eats trees?
Could it come to FernGully?
Oh, no, of course not. You've got nothing to worry about.
Why?
Because, it's trapped.
Oh, I know. By those red marks. It can't go past them. Well, they must be magic.
Yeah. You know, you're pretty smart.